Look here students, some word problem also we will do. In this question, this is a very simple question if you understand, and this question many times given in board exam also. So this is very important question for your board exam. Look here, what is this question? First we understand is, yes score 40 marks in a test. Yes score 40 marks in a test. 40 marks he score. Getting, how he get 40 marks, that is explained here. Getting 3 marks for each right answer. For right answer he get 3 marks. And losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. If he give wrong answer, he will lose 1 marks. Okay. He think more something that he can get more marks if in other way. That what, look here, he think. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, place of 3 marks if he awarded 4 marks for the correct answer, and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer. And I say that if 2 marks is deducted for the incorrect answer, means wrong answer, then yes would score 50 marks. Place of 40 marks he will score 50 marks. Now how many questions were there in the test you have to check out. Means in test if you give the, you have to attend all the questions, and if yes attend all the questions, and some questions he done correct answer, he give correct answer, and some questions he give wrong answer. So if he give correct answers, means for the correct answer initially he get 3 marks for the correct answer and 1 marks losing for the wrong answer, and totally get 40 marks. In the second case he awarded 4 marks for the correct answer and 2 marks deducted for the wrong answer, and he get 50 marks. Now you help to guess that how many questions were there. Look here, let the number of right answers be x. Right answer he given, that is x, and number of wrong answers be y. Means he give wrong answer, that questions are number of y. So how many total questions are? Total questions are x plus y. Total question will be x plus y. Now in question you can write according question. According question you can say, what is the first case? First case we have that 3 marks for each, 3x question he done total. So total marks will be 3x. So you can write 3x. And y question he done wrong. So for each 1 minus will be, minus 1 marks he will deduct. So minus 1 y will be total marks, minus 1 y, and total marks he get 40 marks. Similarly the second case, he awarded 4 marks for the correct, 2 marks for the wrong answer deducted for wrong, and totally get 50 marks. These two equations you get, and these two equations you can solve, you have to solve here by cross multiplication. In exam you can solve by any method, cross method, substitution method, elimination, you can use any method, but here we will use the cross method. For that you can see that 40 and 50 are C1 and C2 that are given in right hand side, and you can check here A1 upon A2 also. A1 upon A2 is 3.4, B1 upon B2 is 1 upon 2, that will be not equal. So we can apply here cross method. First this C1 and C2 transfer, 3x minus 1y minus 40 equal to 0. 4x minus 2y minus 50 equal to 0. Now you write here from the middle. Middle number is what is? Minus 1, minus 2, then 40 and 50, minus 40, minus 50. Then first number is 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and you have to repeat 1 and minus 1 and minus 2. All you understand this? So this in cross method you already know. You will start from here, minus 1 and minus 2, then you write minus 40 and minus 50, then you write 3 and 4, then again you write minus 1 and minus 2. You do the cross product. Cross product you can do x upon y upon and 1 upon. X upon you mark 2 brackets, y upon you mark 2 brackets, 1 upon you mark 2 brackets. Okay, now you multiply. Minus 1 into minus 50 you get 50, minus 2 into minus 40 you get 80, minus 40 into 4 minus 160, minus 50 and 3 minus 150, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 4 into minus 1 minus 4. So you get x upon minus 30, y upon, this is minus minus plus, so minus 10 you get, 1 upon minus 2 you get. Okay, now you take first and third, and here you take second and third. First and third is x upon minus 30, and third is 1 upon minus 2. You write cross multiply x equal to minus 30 upon minus 2, you get 15, and here you get y upon minus 10 equal to 1 upon minus 2, you write minus 10 upon minus 2, that is 5. Means the x equal to 15 and y equal to 5. So total questions are, total number of questions equal to x plus y, and x is 15 and y is 5. So total questions are 20. That is your answer. Means he has done 15 question correct and 5 question wrong he has done.